Can y'all just listen? Yeah, you a silly hoe, all soggy like my cereal. Yeah, cause I don't touch that. I have a meaning like a motherfucking hunchback. And I'ma be the gypsy. I collect the money while you sit around and miss me, diss me. Never that, nigga, I'm higher. I'ma be the one to lead the way with the fire. Yeah, bad bitch from Bermuda. Call me the boss, so I might just recruit her. Who the fuck do you think you is, bitch? When the one that you with is the one on my clip. Yeah, baby, keep them on check, cause I'm tired of your chicks sending threats through a text. Got a couple goons in the room backstage, ready to pursue anything I say. Worry about yourself, cause I'll be making moves while you sitting on a shelf. Yeah, you're looking dusty. I'm the shit they look before they flush me, but I still rise to the top, thank God, every day for this life that I got. Nah, you can't faze me, I'm the topping, gravy. Now heat it up before you eat it up. I'm flowing like the wind, so you know that I can speed it up. Yeah, or slow it down. For your slow post, never got your cap and gown. It's my birthday, bitch, you the clown. Everybody laugh and point when you around. I'm coming for the throne, my fitted is my crown. I'm coming for your home, I blow it to the ground. I'm the big bad wolf, you Miss Piggy. This little piggy cried all the way home. This little piggy cried all the way home. We cried all the way home. Calling shots, Hitler, you're just a replacement, cause I don't wanna miss her. Apple on my eye, but I'm looking for grapes. A little wine help ease the mind. In that case, I get back to the chase. Gotta grind, no wasting time. I'm the motherfucking microphone abuser. Me, I pop like shots out of Ruger. Fuck Freddy Krueger, guess who's playing Jason? I don't give a shit, cause it's you I'm replacing. Yellow tape in the booth, murder scene. And my flow fresh, fabuloso clean. Jacqueline Hyde, I got two personalities hiding inside. Yeah, so don't fuck with the mean one. I give your career a rerun. Yeah, they call me hypnotic. I'ma be around like pictures in the locket. Yeah, and I'm married to Musica. You're just a bridesmaid who only got introduced to her. So enjoy the recital, watch where you're going, or get lost like Fievel. But I ain't going west, I'm going for the reason my heart pumps in my chest.